1960s, when funny cars were first making their debut at drag strips around the country, Craig Cochran had a vision to build a street-legal funny car. His build was initiated in 1971. The glass body, a design mixture of a 1970 Camaro and Corvette styling, was sourced from car manufacturing in Monson, Massachusetts. A 426 Chrysler Wedge engine and torque flight transmission were the chosen powertrain. It was titled and licensed in 1974, and it was driven until 1979, when it was then sold to Tim Baumgartner of Bluffton, Indiana. Tim updated the chassis with a full roll cage and changed to a big block Chevy engine in 2006. In early 2017, Craig got a call from Chris Ito, noted designer of the 2017 Riddler Award, asking about the whereabouts of the car. Craig didn't know, and Chris volunteered to find it. A month later, Chris called Craig and said, "Are you sitting down? I found your car. It's still with the original buyer after 38 years. Contact was made with Tim and a deal was set. The funny car was on its way home to Craig's shop in July of 2017. It did not have an engine, transmission, or radiator, so Craig retained Tim's choice of engines and had a 496 BBC built by Ron Flood of Cedar Machine Service in North Branch, Minnesota. In 2018, the engine dynoed at 557 horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque. The car weighs in at just 2,200 pounds. Craig started the build of this car back in 1971 when he was 26 years old. Craig still drives and shows the vehicle at car shows, including the 2023 Fall Rush River Brewery Fall Car Show in River Falls, Wisconsin, where this video was recorded. If you like this car and video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others.